Assalamu alaikum. This is Amjad Niazi, and you are watching my YouTube channel, Cam Learning by Amjad Niazi. We have recently started a paper solution series in which we will discuss many of the board papers, past papers, uh, and solve them. So today we are going to discuss about the 2019 uh, annual paper for the 10th class of the federal board. Let's go and see the solution. The first question is, identify the molecules produced when electrical discharge passes through the oxygen in the air. You can say option A, 1 by 2 O2, it means atomic oxygen. Option B, O2. Option C, O3. Option D, O4. The correct answer of this question is option C, O3. So this is the molecule. We will change the color for its good. Yes, ozone molecules are produced during the electrical discharge in the air. Question number 2, what are the units of Kc for the reaction N2 plus O2 reversible reaction to NO2? This is the reaction given here. This is a reversible reaction, and you can see the number of moles of the reactants and products. One thing you must remember here, that whenever you will see a chemical reversible reaction in which the number of moles of the reactants and products are equal, then there will be no units for Kc. In such type of reaction, because we know that Kc is a proportionality, is a proportion, yeah, we can say, sorry, proportion not, Kc is basically the ratio between the products and reactants. So here you can see that these are the 2 moles of NO2, and in the on the reactant side you will see that this is the 1 mole for oxygen and 1 mole of N2. 1 plus 1 2. Whenever we will calculate the value or units for the Kc, then 2 by 2 will cancel each other and there will be the no unit for this type of reaction. So option A is no unit, option B mole per dm cube, option C mole square per dm6, and none of these. So the correct option is option A, no units. Next, what will happen if OH negative ion increases? This is basically from the pH value calculation, from the topic of pH value calculation. Whenever OH negative ion increases, then the basic character will increase. According to the Arrhenius concept of acid and base, acids are the substances which will give the H positive ion in the aqueous medium, while the base are the substances which will give the OH negative ion increase. So we can conclude that whenever the OH negative ion increase, the basic character of the solution will increase. So we will see the option. Option A, solution becomes unpredictable. Option B, solution becomes neutral. Option C, solution becomes acidic. Or option D, which is the right option, solution becomes basic. Okay. Next, which of the following is a Lewis acid? Lewis acids are those acids, according to the Lewis concept, which can accept an electron pair. Lewis acid is a compound or is a species which can accept a pair of electron. So we will see from the following that which one will be able to accept a pair of electron. Option A, OH, it has an extra pair of electron, so it will never ever accept extra electron. And option B, ammonia. Option C, F negative fluoride. Option D, BF3. So the option B is correct. In order to complete its octet, boron belongs to the third group and it has the 5 electrons in its valence shell. So in order to complete its octet, so it will need 2 more electrons. So this is the Lewis acid. Which of the following, question number 5, which of the following is an aldehyde? This MCQ is from the functional group topic. Option A, C6H5OH. OH stand for the alcohol. Then option B, there is a CO, which is the carbonyl group. Then next option C is aldehyde group, CHO. Option D, COOH, which is the carboxylic acid functional group. So we can conclude that option C is correct, which contains the CHO, which is the aldehyde group. Next, Fehling solution is used to determine the presence of which substance? Option A, alcohol. Option B, ketone. Option C, phenol. Option D, aldehyde and ketone. Fehling solutions basically are utilized for the confirmatory test of the aldehyde and ketone both. Right? Next, question number 7. Raffinose produce units of simple sugar upon hydrolysis. Raffinose basically is a 18 carbon compound which will upon hydrolysis will yield the 3 simple units each having the 6 carbon atoms. Option A 5, option B 3, option C 4, option D 6. So the right option is option B. The substances which fight against the disease in the living organism are enzymes, carbohydrates, lipids and proteins. The right option is proteins, because large protein molecule will fight against the diseases in the living organism. Next, each DNA nucleotide consists of, basically DNA is a hereditary material which is comprised of nucleotide, and each nucleotide consists of the 3 basic components. One is pentose sugar having the 5 carbon atom, the second one is phosphate group, and the third one is the nitrogenous base. So the right option will be 3 carbon containing compounds. All other options are wrong. Next, question number 10. Permanent hardness of water can be removed by option A, ion exchange method, option B, cooling, option C, boiling, option D, Clark's method. C and D, boiling and Clark's method, are being utilized for the removal of the temporary hardness of the water. Cooling cannot be used for the removing of the temporary, either for the temporary or for the permanent hardness of water. So ion exchange method is the right option for this question, that ion exchange method is utilized for the removal of the permanent hardness of the water. Right? Question number 11. Chemical formula for ammonium carbamate. Ammonium carbamate. Actually, this is the ammonium carbamate, not only ammonium. So, ammonium carbamate option A, NH4NO3, option B, NH2CONH2, option C, NH2COONH4, option D is NH4 5402. So the right option is option C, NH2CONH4. This is the chemical formula for the ammonium carbamate. Next question is, which is the last one for this paper. Which of the following process is reduction in nature? So the option A, grinding, option B, roasting, option C, smelting, option D, flotation. So the right option is option C, smelting. Option C, smelting, is the right option for this process. Okay, this was the 2019 annual paper, and you must like and share the video. Inshallah, we will come up with a new video comprised of the 2018 supplementary and annual and so on. We will solve the last 6 to 7 years papers. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.